going on, guys? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational YouTube channel. My name is Jay Seals, and today we are talking about, are meme coins dead? I mean, I think a better question might be, are cryptocurrency dead as a whole, or is cryptocurrency dead as a whole? But we're talking about meme coins today, so let's get into it. The cryptocurrency market tells a tale of their showcasing investors who became billionaires pretty much overnight. When Bitcoin was launched, it was trading at just cents, and then early investors gained generational wealth like never seen before. And that's why government wants to get in this thing. But then entered Dogecoin in 2013 and was simply launched to poke fun at Bitcoin and other blockchain technology. Dogecoin made cryptocurrency markets loosen up a bit and have more fun while making or losing money. The rise of the meme coin then began with Dogecoin at the helm of it all. And I remember those Dogecoin days. I got in a little bit late on Dogecoin, but I still made a little bit off of it. While Dogecoin was just another meme on the internet, it became an overnight sensation in 2020 when Tesla's CEO Elon Musk announced that he invested in Doge in early 2021 after it breached the 1 cent mark. Musk repeatedly talked about Dogecoin in interviews, tweeted about it, and then we all know his infamous Saturday Night Live skit where Dogecoin completely tanked. He was coined the Doge Father, where it reached all-time highs of 73 cents, and then it plummeted to coin hell, where it was never seen again. It's still floating around at like 8-7 cents, but it's never come back. But amid that, thousands of meme coins sprung up. And I mean, a lot of them made a good amount of money for people, and some of them never really took off. After Dogecoin fell off, a lot of other meme coins that were in the space already didn't really take off. But there was only one that still is around that has a strong community, and y'all know which one it is. It's Shiba Inu. Meme coins are down around 90% from their all-time highs that they reached in 2021. And also a handful, they didn't even survive. Meme coins are dead in 2022, and to be honest, they really are. Most meme coins, they don't have a use case, so they just can't survive in this new market of cryptocurrency where every coin has to do something and has to provide some type of utility to the investors. And I mean, for the most part, all those coins are gone. Even Dogecoin now is bringing out some type of utility, or someone is trying to put utility into Dogecoin, like the off-chain, there's Dogechain, and then obviously Shiba Inu has a ton of utility coming out. So it's just the evolution of the meme coin. It ain't so meme anymore. Meme coins are 100% dead in my opinion. You have to have a use case in these markets to be able to survive, and while it was fun while it lasted, it's not like that anymore. Everything has to grow up, everything has to evolve at some point, and meme coins are dead and utility has taken their place. But that's it for this one. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates on ClearCryptos, any educational videos we put out. But I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.